This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to clear the cache and cookies on Firefox, on the Firefox browser. So wherever you are on your Firefox browser, very simple, just come up to the top. We are going to click on Firefox here, and we will click Settings, the second option down. So once Settings is open, on the sidebar here, we're going to click on Privacy and Security. And now we scroll down to where it says Cookies and Site Data. Now, there is actually a checkbox here that you can select. You can set this one for delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. So as it sounds, every time you close the Firefox browser, the cookies and site data will be deleted. So that's kind of like a little tripwire that you can set there if you want. When you check that, there's nothing to save. It will auto save. And so that will actually be registered in your Firefox. So you can tick that if you want to. If you just want to delete all of the cookies and cache as it stands, you can click on Browse. Let's just go back. You can click on Clear Browsing Data, and we can set last hour. We can do everything. We can do the last 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you want to do. So if you wanted to do 4 hours, you just select there. So you can do browsing and download history. You can do cookies and site data, which is what this video is about, and also temporary cached files and pages. That's auto ticked as well. You can also delete your saved form info if you want to, and your site settings. So with those two set for the cookies and the cache, you just literally click clear, and that will instantly clear. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to save any settings. That has been cleared. Hopefully you found this video on how to clear the cookies and cache on Firefox useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like